Okay, so how does the process of verifying your Facebook page actually go about? What do you need to do or what to expect? Let me talk about it real quick in this video. First of all, the requirement is that you are the admin of the mentioned Facebook page. You can't really do much unless you have the full control over your page. Keep in mind that we're talking about pages, not personal profiles, and pages might have more people managing them, so you have to have control. Also, since we're requesting verification and we're not trying to just pay for Meta Verified, we also need to be deemed by Facebook to be worthy of the verification, which includes being authentic, unique, which is pretty hard in and of itself, so make sure your page is good enough. Plus, as Facebook says on their website, you need to represent a well-known, often searched person, brand, or entity. If that's the case, you can request verification from Facebook, and after evaluation, you might be granted the blue check next to your page's name. However, there's still the possibility of just paying for Meta Verified, which will also show a blue check mark next to your name, but this time it's tied to your subscription. So you can go to your profile on Facebook and even on Instagram, and you need to find the Facebook account manager. In there, you're going to get all the instructions on how to enable the Meta Verified for your Facebook or Instagram account. Now, this is going to be everything I wanted to let you guys know about. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button right under this video. And for more similar tutorials like this one, and I publish a lot of them often, make sure you subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you.